In previous video we have talked about the application process and what things you need to be careful or you should think about while applying for NTU and while filling the application form. So the next step, once you have accepted, once you have been accepted into NTU, so the next step and the important step is about the visa application. For Singapore, it is pretty easy, straightforward. As the other nations like UK and USA, there is no such thing of you should have this much amount of money in your bank from before 1 month of visa application, blah blah blah. It's nothing like that at all. So you don't have to show any kind of bank statements for applying for Singapore. So the specific instructions, I have it in my email which I got, but I would say that after your application is successful, you will get these kind of emails, important emails subsequently. So do read all the emails carefully and twice, word by word. Do not miss anything in those emails. You will also be informed that how to apply for visa, what are the things you require and all those things. It is just easy. It is very precise procedure given in the mail. So just follow that. So what the things are, what other things which I missed at that time, I'm going to describe them here. The first thing about the medical report. In your application process, in your visa application process, when you apply for visa, as I told you in a previous video also, when I applied for visa on 2nd June, I got it by 4th June, just in 2 days. So it was not the student visa. First of all, it was an IPA letter. So what does an IPA letter means? Those who are like familiar with some banking terms, they might be knowing about this. So basically, an IPA letter means that it is just a provisional letter through which you can enter Singapore. It's just a single entry visa. If you exit Singapore, then you cannot come again on that IPA letter. So it's just a single entry visa there. And then that's not the student visa. That is not a very useful for you. So that is an IPA letter which you will get. And after that, once you enter in Singapore, then you have to go to IC office. So yes, now I'm going to explain that procedure very precisely. So before that, from India, you have to make your health report. In that health report, you have to do 2 tests. First is you have to do an HIV test, and second you have to do a chest X-ray. The chest X-ray is to be done for the tuberculosis, any signs of tuberculosis. Now, and then you have to go to an MD doctor. Okay, and you have to basically certify from him that you do not have any kind of like a tuberculosis kind of diseases, and you are free from all those things. And also, as I'm reading from my health report, so in that my health report, on basis of these 2 tests, that is X-ray and HIV test, some comments are added that no active lung disease seen, normal cardiac size and outlines, I don't know what it is, mediastinal outlines, and no active lung disease seen. So this is some report from the radiologist. So yeah, and signed by an MD. So this kind of statements, you have to get a certificate from a MD doctor, and you have to bring that medical certificate and that report and that chest X-ray to Singapore. So once you come here, then the procedure will be properly told in the emails as also. And the procedure is, you have to log into the, now this is the procedure when you will get the health report from India itself. So as soon as you come here, before that only visit the ICA website and based on your FIN number generated when you will apply for your visa, and on that IPI letter you will have that FIN number, that is I'm some identification number, some foreigner identification number. I don't know the full form exactly. So on that basis you have to go to the ICA website. ICA is the Immigration Authority of Singapore. I don't know exact full form of that as well. So you have to visit that ICA website. You have to submit some documents of your passport and all this, where to submit or what to submit. It has been already, it will be included in the email itself. So by there what you have to do on that ICA website is you have to book an appointment at the ICA. It is the ICA is at the Lavender MRT station. In previous video, as I have discussed, there is a station called Pioneer. So same same way, on the same line, on the green line, there is the Lavender station. You have to go there on the ICA. There is it will be just a 5 minutes procedure. You should have a proper passport size photo with you, 2 photos with you, IPI letter and passport. These 3 things, and they will just take your fingerprints, and that will be it. By same day, by evening, you will get your visa process done. But this is when you will get your health report from India. But if you do health report over here in Singapore, so you will get your health report after 1 week, and then you have to do the same thing, book an appointment and go there. But since ICA knows these things, that many of the people come here from various different regions of the world, so they personally come to our campus and do all the fingerprint scanning thing. Okay, fingerprint scanning and all those things are done here. But here it takes some 7 days to process your visa and all those things. But if you go to ICA, it will be done just quickly. I know a friend, she did all this health report from India itself, and then when she got here, she booked an appointment, and within 2 days she had her visa. So it was that fast. Here in Singapore, all these things are very, very easy. Now even like changing your ATM pin or unblocking your card, it's that easy. So yeah. As I said, after doing that, you will be set with all these visa thing. It will be okay. Here one important thing is about the SIM card, the number which you are going to give for that ICA registration and all the visa applicant process. Usually what mistake we have done, that we have purchased the SIM card from the Changi airport itself, and that is a foreigner SIM card which will be deactivated in 1 month. So do not do that. When you come to NTU campus properly, here is one shop called as 7-Eleven. It's like worldwide, this franchise of 7-Eleven. Go there, ask for a regular SIM card. It will cost you only $15, not more than that, with some kind of recharge in that. For that you have to give your passport, carry your passport at that time. Go there, have the SIM card there, and then only do all the other process of like registration for the like booking an appointment and all those things, because that is the number which will be reflected and connected to your account. So now you have booked the appointment, now you have done with all the things, and your visa is approved. After 7 days you will get a card, an e-card, on your SingPass app. So what is this SingPass? So the kind of interface we have of Aadhaar card, right, where if you just like show the Aadhaar card, it's linked with all the things, and your information is retrieved from it. The same thing kind of stuff here is about SingPass. A SingPass, and this is an app also called as SingPass, in which it will reflect all your government IDs, like my student ID, or some who is an permanent resident or a Singapore national, his driving license, his some other kinds of identity cards, NRIC card, all those types of cards which are stored in there. So just that one app is like everything for that. So on after 7 days of your booking appointment, log into that app, register yourself, and then you will get that electronic card on your app, and then you're good to go to like apply for some part-time jobs, like literal part-time jobs, and also for some other stuffs if you want to give you some documents to some people and all those things for some process. So you're just good to go. So this was all the visa process. First I will just recap. First and foremost, read the emails very carefully, because it will guide you properly. Do not miss any step. Second, get that health report with HIV test and a chest x-ray and the statement that you don't have HIV or something like that, and no lung disease, everything is, you're good, you're fit and fine. That then, and the next thing is, get a SIM card first. You get a SIM card first in here, permanent SIM card, don't get a foreigner SIM card, and then apply for an ICA booking. Book an appointment, go to ICA office, and it will be everything okay. And then log into your app of SingPass after 7 days, and it's all set. So now after this, what I'm going to tell is my experience, what happened with me. So I did not did the health report from India. I did not read the email properly, so I just filled up some applications about yes, I have to apply for this and that. I came here, and I did the health report, and after doing the health screening after 7 days, I got the health report. By that time, the ICA people who came to campus, their period, duration, it was over. Then after that, we have to place a special request to the NTU that this was the case, because of this it was delayed and all those things, so that's why we could not go. So do please give us a solution. Then they started that yes, now you can book your appointment by yourself. Before that it was not even allowed. So yes, this is the case that since it has such proper tie-up, ICA won't allow you to straight away book an appointment before means after their coming to the campus. So they will like say that you should talk to your university about that, and we will work it out. But before they coming to the campus, if you just book the appointment, it is all good. So after that, what happened is they told us after a few days that okay, you can book an appointment and you can do those things. And by the time I got appointment, my IPA letter was about to expire. Yes, IPA letter has an expiry date of almost 1 month. Yeah, August. Yes, I entered Singapore on I guess 7th or 8th August, and my this IPA letter that validity was expired in like 30 days. That's it. In those 30 then what to do next? That was one of the question. And then I had to extend my visa. Just go to the ICA website, you will get all those things. You have to just a little look for it, how to extend it, and just do it. Since you're a student, there won't be any problem. But if you have that case like me, that you have to extend your IPA letter validation, then just apply it a week before your expiry. Don't do it before that, a week before your expiry, and it will be straight away approved in some few hours. So don't worry about that. Then I have to do that extension, then I have to go to the ICA, then I forget, and then I did not properly click the passport size photo. It was a bit smaller, so I had to again click those photos, and here everything is expensive. So again clicking that photo, and then again doing those things, and it took almost the month of October to get my proper student visa. Till then I could not apply for any part-time job or something like that. I was I was like cursing myself why I did not do things on time, why I did not read the mail properly, something like that. So this is what happened with me. It was a very tense thing that, oh, what we will do and all those things. Oh my god. So don't worry, everything here has a solution, a quick and good solution which will also suit you. Don't worry about anything. If anything goes south, you should just consult the concerned authorities. Here one particular body is there who helps you in everything in NTU. That is one stop. One stop, there is literally the proper office in the North Academic Complex, also called as North Spine. You can book an appointment, or you can just walk in, but if you walk in it, you might have to wait. So just book an appointment, go there, tell your query that this is happening with me, so what to do and what not to do. They will give you a solution, a proper solution. So don't worry about if things go south. This is all about the process. Again, read the mails carefully. That's the last thing I wanted to tell you. And yes, the subsequent videos will be discussing about the tips for attending classes and some daily life hacks which we should practice at NTU. Bye bye.